So look at this example. This 3 here tells me I have a vertical stretch of 3, or my amplitude is 3. The 3 tells me that my period is 2 pi divided by 3, which means my change in my period is 2 pi over 3 divided by 4, or times 1/4, which gives me pi over 6. So that's know how much I'm going to add. But now I have this extra, this minus pi, so I have to see. So I know if I have 3x minus pi is 0. So I have 3x is pi, and x is pi over 3. I know that my first point is pi over 3. So I have pi over 3, and I'm going to add pi over 6. So I'm going to call this 2 pi over 6, so it'll be easier. Then I have 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, and 6 pi over 6, which is the same as pi and 2 pi over 3, and pi over 2, and pi over 3. So those are my points. And if I think about it, if I start at 2 pi over 3 and I add, if I start at pi over 3 and I add 2 pi over 3, I end at pi. So I do have this right start and go. So since I didn't leave myself too much room, we have to find our y values. So remember, they start at, for sine, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 0, and now I'm multiplying it by 3. So it's 0, 3, 0, negative 3, 0. So I start at pi over 3, that's 0. And then at pi over 2, I'm at 3. Oh, sorry, this is pi over 3. Pi over 3, and then at pi over 2, it's at 3. And then 2 pi over 3, which is here, is 0. And then 5 pi over 6 is negative 3. And then at pi, it's 0 again. So that first point is wrong, but we have this here. So this is my sine, my graph of my sine. You have to remember that each one of these is pi over 6. So that's how you would go about and graph that.